Welcome to Health Breakthroughs, your guide to the latest innovations in medical science and technology. Today, let's learn more about AI-powered radiation therapy with the very distinguished radiation oncologist, Dr. Ananya. Welcome, Doctor. As you all know, AI is everywhere. But how is AI revolutionizing healthcare and radiation therapy to be specific? Thank you, Health Breakthroughs and Sai Lakshmi, for having me here. So, AI-powered radiation therapy is basically enhancing our ability to precisely target cancer cells while sparing the healthy tissue. There is a method called convolutional neural network in which it analyzes your CT and MRI scans to delineate your cancer tumor with sub-millimeter accuracy. These AI models are trained to analyze thousands of images, and it can even differentiate subtle differences from a human normal cell and a tumor cell. This sounds like a blockbuster movie in the making. Indeed, picture this. AI algorithms such as support vector machines help predict the tumor's response to the radiation therapy. They analyze quantitative features such as the tumor's size, shape, texture, etc. in creating a highly customized treatment plan. Remarkable! And what benefits this is offered to the patients? Patients receive more precise, personalized and effective treatment leading to improved outcomes and reduced side effects. There is an AI-driven radiation therapy technique called adaptive radiation therapy which continuously monitors and adjusts according to the patient's anatomy and the tumor size, ensuring optimal dosage. Incredible, Doctor. Can you explain what's on the horizon for AI-powered radiation therapy? Future advancements include integrating AI with genomics so that we could further personalize treatment plans by analyzing biomarkers and genetic mutations. Moreover, predictive analytics will help us improve a patient's quality of life by mitigating side effects. Thank you, Doctor, for sharing your expertise. I myself have learned a lot from this. And that's it for today, guys. Hope you have learned a lot from this episode. Tomorrow, same place, same time, again in Health Breakthroughs. Stay informed, stay healthy. For now, this is your host, Sai Lakshmi, signing off.